Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this really pretty wave knot. Let's get started. Attach 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, to form the knot, we're going to take the first 3 cords here on the left side and send it behind the next 2 cords. I like to pinch right here where it connects to hold my place. I'm going to take that cord here that was left off all the way on the right, and it's going to go behind those 3 cords. Then I'm going to cross it in front of the 2 in the middle. It's going to go up in front so it can go through the little gap here between the 3 cords and the middle. Pull it through, and then just pull it tight to secure everything into place. Now we're going to repeat the same process, this time working from the right to the left. So I'm going to take those 3 cords that are now on the right, and I'm going to send them behind the 2 in the middle to form this nice loop. I like to pinch it right here where all those strings connect to hold my place. And I'm going to take that single strand that's now on the left, send it behind the 3 ropes, then it's going to go over the 2 in the middle, and then I send it up to go through that loop. And then I just pull it tight. As you form this knot, make sure your ropes stay nicely stacked in order. Just like that. So this is the cool wave knot. As I'm sure you could tell, this is a square knot variation. We were basically forming reverse square knots using 6 ropes instead of the standard 4 to make it thick on the sides for our waves. You guys can use this pattern in plant hangers, wall hangings, keychains, or any other design you would like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.